Yo, chicken. Yo, chicken. I just sneeze, bro. Chill.
We out.
Yo, Almy, this nigga just sneezed on you, yo.
Nigga, what? What's up with you, bro? I just sneeze.
Nigga, I got something for you.
What the fuck are you doing, my nigga?
Yo, I just sneeze, bro.
My nigga, what the fuck are you doing?
Heavy yeah, we outside, bro. What's good, YouTube? It's your boy K. Bonafide, new video. Today, we're gonna be sneezing on people. Like, comment, subscribe. Let's go. Yo, chicken. Yo, chicken. I just sneeze, bro.
I might need to fuck that. I probably need a sweater, all that shit. We need all this shit.
I just sneeze, bro. I just sneeze, bro. Chill.
We need everything.
We out. Yo, nigga, you sneeze on me, bro?
Yeah, bro.
You really just sneeze
Yeah,
on me,
bro.
Like, I really won't rough your shit up right now, bro. Like, it's so bad.
Yo, chill. It's a prank, bro.
Fuck that.
I just sneeze. No, I actually had to sneeze, bro. I just sneeze.
Fuck your mic too, bro. Fuck that shit. Bro, yo,
I just sneeze, bro. I just sneeze, bro.
So what is it, bro?
I just sneeze.
What is it?
It's water.
Come on,
Now I'm playing. I actually sneeze with you, bro.
It's what?
It's
what? Bro, stop.
It's water. It's the camera right there.
Yo, Almy, this nigga just sneezed on you, yo.
What the fuck?
I just sneeze, bro.
He sneezed, nigga. Are you true?
Yo, what's up with it?
What the fuck? What's up with you, bro?
Pick him up. Pick him up.
Nigga, what?
What's up with you, bro?
I just sneeze.
Nigga, I got something for you.
It's a prank, bro. It's a prank.
What's up with you, bro?
I just sneeze, bro.
Have some respect, my nigga.
I just sneeze.
What the fuck?
I can't sneeze. My bad. I just sneeze. I just sneeze. My bad.
Oh, on the same time playing with the water.
What the fuck are you doing, my nigga?
Yo, I just sneeze, bro.
My nigga, what the fuck are you doing?
I just sneeze, bro.
How the fuck would you do some shit?
I have a seizure problem.
Bro?
I can't, bro.
What the fuck are you doing, bro?
I had to do it on purpose.
How you do that shit, bro?
Because I had to.
How the fuck would you do that shit, bro?
I had to, bro.
Come on, bro.
I'm sorry, but I can't help it, bro.
Nah, nigga, you can see something there, though. What the fuck? What is you doing, bro?
Alright, my bad, bro. We good.
Nah, put your fucking hand down, yo. What the fuck is up, nigga?
Why you so mad, bro?
Nah, nigga, because you sneezed over me. You could've went over there, nigga. Fuck is up, nigga? Yo, put that shit down, nigga. Yo, my nigga. Put this shit down, yo.
I just sneeze, bro.
Nah. Fuck is that?
It's water. It's a prank. It's a prank, bro. It's
I don't care about the camera, bro.
It's a prank, bro.
Stop doing that shit, bro.
Ah, my bad, bro.
Nah, bro. Don't fuck with that.
Right, these stooties right here. I just sneeze. Why you trying to kick me? I just sneeze. My bad. I'm sick. I got the flu. Oh shit. I just sneeze, bro.
What are you doing, my bro?
I just sneeze.
That shit mad as bro.
Why you hit my hat off, bro? I just sneeze.
What are you doing, bro?
I just sneeze. Cheese here. Banana. Oh, they got banana. Yo, If y'all don't know, I'm half Filipino. I'll be munching on these. I used to munch on these when I grew up. I study. Sweet dream. What's the best flavor?
The best one is cookies and cream and churro.
Cookies and cream? Oh, and churro?
I don't think so.
Damn. Banana chocolate fudge and a sweet dream.
Banana and sugar. Anything else?
Not it.
You're a YouTuber or you're a influencer?
Oh, YouTuber.
YouTuber?
Yeah.
What's your name?
K Bonafide. I'll show you.
Alright.
You do like all type of videos?
Yeah, pranks.
Friends?
Look, I'll show you.
Boy, you let them smack it like that?
Yeah. I'm pranking him.
Oh, this is like you recording?
Yeah, I'm pranking them. Thank you. Have a good one. Sturdy. Yo, I just caught Gold Miss Mochi Donuts. Feel me? Filipino. I mean, I think it's Filipino. I don't even know, but shout out. Like, look, get it. Look, watch this. Woo! Choo, 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 choo. Choo. What happened, bro? It's a prank, bro. It's a prank, bro.
It's a break.
I had to sneeze, bro. Nah, it's not a prank. I'm joking. It's real, bro. I actually sneezed on you.
You did
What you do that
ass?
for?
Cause I had to sneeze, bro. I can't sneeze on you.
No, nigga.
Why?
Nigga, fucking just sneeze in the fucking other side of the zone. The fuck you gotta sneeze on me for?
Oh shit. My bad, bro. I had to sneeze, bro.
Fuck.
Hey man, what are you doing here?
I had to sneeze.
Wait, are you Kevin?
Yeah, I'm Kevin. Yeah, bro.
I follow you.
Oh yeah, you do. Yeah, bro.
I follow you.
Oh, you follow my Instagram?
I follow you.
Yo, he follows my Instagram, bro. Hey, you got what's your name, bro?
I'm Gavin.
What's your favorite video? The sperm one, right?
Yeah.
Sperm one? Yeah, bro. I appreciate y'all, bro. Hey, that's motivation right here, bro. We going up, bro. We got a fan, you feel me? So what's y'all Instagrams?
Jason_house,
Me right here.
Y'all add them, man. Y'all add
Yeah,
them.
_the
Y'all add them. Alright, y'all. Y'all stay safe. Good to see you. Good to see you, bro. Good to see you. Good to see you, bro.
Wait, ask it again.
Yeah, alright. Good? How old do y'all think I am?
Like 20.
Yeah, that's 25.
20? I'm 21. People think I'm like 18, bro. That's what old.